Hi, it's Tim with iCoat, and I want to talk to you about something that can happen to the A side of your epoxy. It's called crystallization. And with this crazy winter that we've just had, it's more frequent than it normally is. What you're going to notice with crystallization is that at first it'll look a little milky, maybe has a little bit of dandruff flakes in it. Worst case scenario, you're going to start seeing stuff settling out on the bottom. It's just epoxy crystals. Much more prone to happen in a low viscosity resin like the Ultra or like the CE40-100 than it would be in, say, something that's much more viscous or thicker like the countertop epoxy. I'm going to teach you how to fix it. Pour whatever you're going to mix that day into a container and just warm it up in the microwave for 15 seconds at a time. You'll notice once it gets up to, say, somewhere between 100 and 120, they're going to just disappear like magic. You're going to let it cool back down to your 80, 82 temperature, and then you're going to mix your B into it and proceed with your project. If you've got more, a gallon, 5 gallons, 30 gallons, whatever amount that you've got that's effective, you can take a tote like this and build a heat box. And I'm going to show you how to do that. As you know, we normally warm our epoxy up in hot water, and water that comes out of your tap is 120. It's going to cool down, and you can keep doing that. You keep changing the water and adding more water, and ultimately it'll get there. But building one of these makes it really, really easy to do. This is just a 27-gallon tote from Home Depot. I have a couple of different heat lamps here. These are real easy to find. This is a 250-watt bulb and a 250-watt fixture. These are a little bit harder to find. It's a 150-watt bulb and 150-watt fixture, but either one of them will work fine. This one will take longer than this one, obviously, but they will both work fine. For either one, I've taken a hole saw and I've drilled a hole right through this. You could cut it, wouldn't be as clean, but just cut a hole there. This one here, I like to take it and you can take it apart. Just hole there, hole in, there, and then just plug it in, turn the light on, and let it sit for 45 minutes or so. You could check it with your infrared temperature gun. Just shoot down the neck of the bottle, and we're looking for maybe 105, 120. You'll probably see the crystals start to disappear at 100, but it'll take just a little bit of time, not too bad. Take that down there, run this up through the hole like that. Turn that on, facing towards the bottle, and you can put a whole bunch of bottles in there. This will warm up that internal temperature quite a bit, and you're just going to see it. The crystals that are in there will disappear like magic. If you have any questions at all about this or anything else, my name's Tim. My cell phone is 602-692-2653. You can call me, text me, nights, weekends, holidays, whatever. I'm always here to help you. Thanks.